guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread in my classic size horizontal layout happy planner. This is what I use for journaling. We are going to be using Winter Mood, probably all three sizes of my sticker sheets, the mini, small, and large. I'm also going to be using the matching colorful boxes. So I'm going to pull the pages out of my planner. I do have a sheet of paper there covering up my journal because I have been doing very well at keeping up with journaling. And I also have a sticky note on the current week because I am not quite finished journaling for the current week. This will be for Monday, November 25th through Sunday, December 1st, the week of Thanksgiving. So let's go ahead and get started and see exactly what we're going to do here. So I think we're going to start with the big sheet. And I think I'm really going to use these two girls. And so let's see. I think we're going to put this girl up here. So we're going to put the girls down and then I'll kind of decorate around them. We're going to cut her foot off. Sorry about that. So a couple announcements for my shop. All orders are caught up. If you did not get your email already, I am having a Black Friday sale on the 28th and 29th, which is Thanksgiving Day and Black Friday. There is a coupon code BF2024 for Black Friday 2024. You can get an additional 10% off your entire order, and all stickers are already 50% off. So make sure you use that code at checkout. That code is only available for Thursday and Friday. I will be adding clear stickers to my shop in January. So clear stickers will be making a comeback in January. The 50% off sale will end in January as well. So that will be over for good. Probably won't have another 50% off sale until next Black Friday. So yeah, big announcement there for the future of Pleasantly Planned. I also am going to be moving. I might as well just hit y'all with everything. I am going to be moving. So if you've been here with me from the get-go, you know that I 3 years ago, almost to the day, separated from my husband, and we were actually divorced almost 2 years ago. Well, I've been praying for that marriage, and he's been praying for our marriage, and let's just say the Lord works in mysterious ways. My ex-husband and I have rekindled our relationship, so we will be remarrying, and I will be moving home to my home soon. So I will be back over there. I'll be moving actually in December. I'll be back over there for the 1st of January and settled in time for my clear stickers to make their comeback. So yeah, it's a lot. It has happened fast, really fast. And I'm thankful that God has heard our prayers, answered our prayers. Things have been going really well for us since we have rekindled. We have talked to our pastor. We've done a lot of talking, a lot of figuring things out, and so we have decided that it's time for me to go back home. So, and that will be happening in December. So I probably will not have any releases for December. I don't like this. I really don't like this because I have two pinks side by side. I will not have a new release for December. I'm going to try to just kind of keep things the way they are through December, and then January I should be, for the most part, moved back in and settled in and can put my clear stickers back on the website and just kind of start from January. So yeah, lots and lots of things have been going on behind the scenes at Pleasantly Planned here, but I'm super excited about that. I know a lot of you guys will be excited to have the clear stickers back in stock. That is something you guys have really wanted me to bring back, so that will be back. So yeah, lots and lots of fun things going on in Pleasantly Planned land. So just kind of wanted to give you guys an update. Don't forget about, of course, the extra 10% off that you can save for basically 48 hours. Thanksgiving Day and Black Friday, those 2 days only, you can save that additional 10% off. So definitely use those codes while you can. Yeah, so I think I'm going to put these boots right here on top of this box. That's crooked. I cut that crooked. I don't like that. Let's fix that. So yeah, I've prayed for a long time. We've been apart for 3 years. So sometimes people just need some distance and some time to figure some things out. So I am praying that our marriage, remarriage, whenever it happens, will be truly blessed, that God will lead us, guide us, and direct us in all our ways, and that we can be a great team together. So hopefully, oh gosh, that's crooked. Hopefully you guys can join me in that prayer as well. So yeah, just excited, overwhelmed, nervous, all of those things all in one, to see what's going to happen. We'll see. I will always keep you guys posted. Okay, so I think I'm just going to go in with a couple quotes now. I want to use Winter Quotes 1. I'm going to use Hello Winter. You guys, it's going to be in the 20s. Yikes. It's going to be in the 20s, like this weekend over here. So, yeah. Even though it's not technically winter, it's going to definitely feel like winter here. So, in the 20s at night, not during the day. But that's cold. That's really cold. Really, really cold for us. Today was in like the 70s, the low 70s. So we're definitely going to use some wintertime quotes here. So look how cute that is. And then I definitely want to bring in some of this polka dot washi. So let's see what we can do with some polka dot washi. I think we're just going to kind of go in here. Let me grab my X-Acto. And I think I'm just going to kind of rotate and put the washi in like every other spot maybe, just to add some cute little polka dots. Let's see, maybe some down here. And I think we're going to go all the way to the edge because I don't want it to cut off at the same place it cuts off there. That will kind of mess with my OCD a little bit. So we're just going to make it go all the way across the bottom. And then probably on this side, we're going to make it go all the way across the top. So let's see what we can get worked out. So we're going to go, I think we're going to go this way. I'm going to try to line this up so I don't have to cut off excess. I don't want to waste washi if I don't have to. And I am going to cover up Friday. You will still be able to see it underneath the washi. So I'm going to cover it up and just do the same thing I did on the other side at the bottom. So now we have that. And then I think I'm going to, let's see, I think we're going to go this way and this way. Yep, that's what we're going to do. So we're going to go this way. I don't want everything to be the exact same. I always say similar but not the same. So I want my sides to be similar but not exactly the same. So we're just going to follow the kind of the same pattern, just in opposite directions on the right side. So look how cute that is. Adorable. And I only used a few stickers. I actually still have tons of stickers that I could do a whole nother spread. I actually didn't even use the small or the mini. So I only used 2 sticker sheets and 2 quotes. So let's put this back in my planner and see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below. Are you ready for the Black Friday sale to save that additional 10% off? Let me know if you've already snagged some of my winter and Christmas stickers. I will be officially decorating for Christmas in my planners starting next week. So I'm looking forward to that. So anyways, yeah, look how cute this turned out. Very simple, still very functional. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow me over on Instagram if you're on Instagram. So that is it for this video. I thank y'all so much for watching. Love you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.